Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Slides tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show or hide slide numbers in Google Slides. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Slides and here I have a presentation where no slide numbers are currently displayed. To show slide numbers in Google Slides I go to Insert and Slide Numbers. The settings offer us several options. Basically we can switch slide numbers on or off. Another useful function here can be that we not show any slide numbers on title slides. So we click on Apply and look at the results first. This worked, but here we have an error, because my first slide also has a slide number. This is a mistake that I made on purpose, because this could happen to you too. In such a case, the slide is not declared as a title slide. We can change this by right-clicking the slide, go to Apply Layout and Title Slide. That's this one, and why this selection is displayed in German and the rest of Google Slides in English, I don't know. Once we have changed the slide, we have to repeat the process. And now we can see that there is no slide number on my title slide. The second option is that we only number a specific selection of slides. To do this, I first remove all slide numbers and select the slides that I want to number. Then we go back to Slide Numbers and only apply to selected. And now we can see that these slides have a slide number, but the other ones don't. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.